we will find the algebraic factorization. If I have like this 3x plus 12y. Okay, these are the expressions I have. I'm going to factorize this. Factorize means select the common one before and write the rest of the values inside the bracket. That's what called as factorization. So to find factorization, you should find the HCF for these two values separately. First 3x. 3x can be expressed as, since 3 is a prime number, we can write it as, okay, 3. 3 can be divided by only 3. So 3 times x. 12y, we cannot add them because this is having x, this is having y. Those are not likely terms. If both are having 3x plus 12x, we can add them to get it as 15x. But in this case, that's not possible because both are having unlikely terms. We cannot add them. We can do only factorization between these two participants. 3x to find HCF. That's what we are doing over here. For 12y, let's divide 12 by 2 first. It's 6. 6 also can be divisible by 2 again. 3. 3 divided by 3, it's 1. So 2 times 3 times y. 2 times 3 times y. So thereafter, I will select the HCF. What would be the HCF? In numbers, we have 3. In variables, we does not have anything. So HCF, for these two values, the HCF is 3. So I'm going to factorize this by selecting 3 as a common factor. HCF means highest common factor. So that's what it means. I will select 3. From 3x, when you select 3 as a common factor, that means you just make 3 outside. You just wrote 3 outside. What is the remaining? Only x. In 3x, when you bring 3 as a common factor, only remaining was x. Plus, from 12y, I selected 3 as a common factor. Only we can select HCF as a common factor. No? The remaining would be 2 times 2 times y. 2 times 2 times y means 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times y, it would be 4y. This is the algebraic factorization. This is the algebraic factorization, what we need to do. I'll explain from the beginning. These are the two quantities given for algebraic factorization. We cannot add them since these two are unlikely terms. So for 3x, it's expanded as 3 times x, 12y, written as 2 times 2 times 3 times y. HCF would be only 3. I selected 3 as a common factor. After selecting 3 from 3x, that's what I cutted over here. Remaining was x. Plus, that plus remained same. Nothing will change. From 12y also, we just selected only 3. What are the remaining values? 2 times y. So don't write it as 22y. It's wrong. 2 times 2, 4. 4 multiplied with y, it's 4y. That's what you should write. Write the HCF as a common one. Write the remaining values inside the bracket with proper direction. Writing an algebraic expression as a product of factors. Same thing as previous, only one additional, it would be square value. Here I'll have 6a square plus 15 ab plus 18 a square b. Okay, this is what I have. Okay, this is what I have. So here I am going to do the first step as HCF to find the HCF first. So 6a square. 6 can be expressed as 2 times 3. You can do the calculations. It would be expressed as 2 times 3. A square, no? Square value. We know x square means x multiplied by x. Y square means y multiplied by y. Similarly, here we have a square. A square means a multiplied with a. A multiplied with another A. So A square can be expanded as A times A. A times A. This is important. So don't write it as 6, 2 times 3. Sometimes students will write A square as A times 2. This is wrong. A square means this is not 2. This is square. Square means A times A. Don't make those silly mistakes. Then 15AB. 15 can be expressed as 3 times 5 times A times B. Thereafter we have 18 A square B. 18 it can be expressed as 2 times 3 times 3 A square B. A square, the expansion of A square would be A times A, and there is an additional B. This would be the expansion. It's really easy. Thereafter let's find the HCF. Here two, but in the middle one we don't have any two. We have two. Here there's a pair of 3. There is no any other pairs in numbers. In variables, these are having A. That's all. A, B, here also A, B. There is no any common one furthermore. So HCF, it is 3 times A. Write this properly to get your answer. 3 times A, it is 3A. It is 3A. Then I'll do the writing an algebraic expression as a product of factors. Product means multiplication of factors. I can write 3A as a common factor. From 6A square, when you select 3A as a common factor, remaining would be 2 times A, it's 2A. The direction is positive. If there is any positive here, write it as positive. 3A selected, so remaining would be 5B plus 5B. Thereafter also another plus 3A selected as common factor, remaining 2 times 3 is 6AB. 6AB. This would be the writing of an algebraic expression as a product of factors. Same as previous one. Here the only additional thing, the inclusion of square values. Nothing else. So 3A square. That means it can be expressed as 3 times A times A. 3 is a prime number directly, so we can write it as 3A. 6AB, it should be 2 times 3 times A times B. Then third 9B square. 3 times B square means B times B. It could be the 1. Then let's find the HCF. All are having 3 variables. There is no any common variable belongs to all of them. These two are having A, it does not. These two are having B, it does not. So 3 is the HCF. That would be the only HCF. So 3 as a product of factors. 3 is the highest common factor. Remaining factors would be 3 selected. A times A. It should be not 2A. A times A. A multiplied with A square. Minus 3 selected. 2 times A times B. It's 2AB. Plus 3 selected. 3 times B times B. B square. 3B square. It could be the product of factors.